Hi everybody, it's Moses the locksmith. I'm programming now a key for the Chevy Silverado. But in time that I'm programming the key, I want to show you guys how you can program a remote without a program machine. I can program it with a program machine, but this one you can program without a program machine. So you have over here these buttons. Okay, so you need to press the car information. Continue pressing until you see something about the remote. Okay, now when you see this, you just press the V. Okay, and now the car is waiting for the remote. You press on both of the buttons, like for 8 seconds, till you hear the click. So if you do not hear the click, it means the remote is not good. Let's get a different one. Some of them do not catch. When it's the aftermarket, they do not catch all the time. Let's get a different one. Okay, I'm back. I got a different one from a different company, also aftermarket. Now let's try it. Oh, you heard the click. Now it's programmed. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful for you, please leave me a like and you can join my channel. Have a good one for now and bye.